Ready, go.
Wow! Have you ever wondered what are these beautiful ornaments? Well, these are moon cactus, and specifically we call them grafted moon cactus. They're actually a little bit expensive in stores, but don't you worry because in this video, we will try to teach you how to make your own so that you can produce your own grafted moon cactus. If you like cactus, succulents, plants, and any other green, this video is for you because we are all green-minded. So gagawa po tayo nito exactly like this at gagamit po tayo ng bagong material which is this giant thing. Ang gagawin po natin, gagayahin natin yung concept na to, lalagyan natin ng something cactus dito sa taas. So kung nakikita po ninyo, it looks so complicated but this is just very easy. The concept now is ito po yung cactus natin at ito po yung rootstock. Okay? So ang mangyayari nito ngayon, ipapatong natin siya dito at dito na siya kukuha ng kanyang nutrients. And this green thing here is now responsible of absorbing the nutrients from the soil, transporting this into our cactus. So this is what we're going to do, but we will be transferring this into this giant green cactus. Wow! And syempre, kakailanganin natin ng mga materials at yung mga materials natin ay ready na sa ating table. So, what are we waiting for? Let's start from the very beginning. First, we have to prepare our rootstock. Ito po yung gagawin natin ngayon using our sterile scatter. We're just gonna make a flat surface. Ikinalulungkot ko, but we have to cut it. Susugatan natin itong ating rootstock. So we have to cut it gently, like this. And prepare. Ow. There you go. So tatanggalin na natin itong this cover, and we are creating now a very flat, clean, and neat surface. Okay, so our second step is magsusugat pa rin po tayo. Susugatan natin, we will make a small cut sa baba or sa bottom ng ating cactus. So ang gagawin natin is we're going to arrange this like this. Tapos ihiwain natin siya pababa para siyang mababalatan. Parang ginawa natin kanina pero dapat super smooth lang at saka very light lang. Sugatan natin at didiretso. Dapat, pag humiwa po nito, dediretso lang, hindi yung gaganon-ganunin mo. Okay? There you have it. That's it. Okay, so once nakat na po natin, wag po nating masyadong patagalan. We have to put it here right away. Ayan, para hindi siya masyadong ma-expose. And there you go, that's our third step. So after doing this one, what we're gonna do is we're going to reinforce force. Dapat po kasi magdidikit sila in the future, okay? In 1 to 2 weeks from now. So ang gagawin natin, lalagyan natin siya ng force. Pupuwersahin natin siya na dumikit using our ropes. So yung concept po natin dito, gaganitin natin siya, ipiko-cross natin siyang ganun, at iko-cross natin siyang ganyan, and then we're gonna pull them down, and using types, we're gonna stick them there. para meron siyang reinforcement ng force. Okay? So let's do it! So, eto na po siya. Sinuportahan na po natin siya yung gamit ng rope. Meron na po siyang force reinforcement. Now, to make it further, we're gonna use this rubber band. Ipapasok po natin siya para mas lalo pa siyang magkaroon ng force. There you go. Ayan, medyo nararamdaman ko na yung puwersa ng paghila sa cactus upang dumikit siya sa ating rootstock. And for our final step, we have to keep this protected. Dapat protected siya kung anumang external forces. So we have to cover it like this. Be very careful and gentle. Yan. Make sure again na dapat naka-disinfect yung mga kamay ninyo para hindi ma-infect yung ating plant. There you go. And we're gonna put another rubber band in here para ma-tighten siya. So, kung sobrang laki po ng inyong plastic, you can cut that off. Okay. So, papasok natin ulit and we're gonna fit that again here. Okay. That's it. Alright! And for the super final step, bago po natin siya ilabas under a shady area, we'll have to put the date kung kailan ninyo siya ginawa. And also, to make it more exciting, let's put it a name, okay? So, ano kayong pwedeng pangalan ng cactus na to, ano? So, since wala akong maisip, why not help me naming this cactus? In the meantime, I'm just gonna put a date here. If you can think of a name, please, please, please do comment that on the comment section. And I'm very happy to change that for you. And there you have it, green-minded people. Nakalagay na po ako ng date at wala pang pangalan. Inaantay ko po yung pangalan suggestion nyo. And itutusok po natin yan dito ngayon. There you go. Isn't it beautiful, right? Okay. And the final step, super final step, is to put this under a shady area. So doon ko po pa rin nilalagay ito kung saan natin nilalagay yung ating mga plants. At dyan po nagtatapos sa ating video, mga green-minded. Very easy. Babantayin po natin to from first week hanggang second week, and we will be updating you kung ano na po yung progress ng ating grafted moon cactus. So gaya po ng dati, if you have questions, comments, and suggestion, please feel free to put that down below. Click share, like, and subscribe. And if you're also doing like this, please send us your photos and videos. We will be very happy to check on them. Until then, mga green-minded, happy grafting! If you also are doing like this, please put your pictures. We will be very happy to check on them. Until then, green-minded, happy grafting!
Action.
Kuha ano na
Go.
natin ko nakuha na mo? Para nice.
Okay. Go.
And for this... mali.
Go.
And for this... mali.
Ready. Go.
Wow!